Welcome to Calypso Beach Resort. Let's take a quick tour. Una, ang living room. Maliit pero malinis. Ito naman ang bedroom. Comfy yung bed, fresh yung linens, at grabe, ang sarap ng tulog namin dito. May mini fridge din sila. Perfect pang lamig ng drink sa init ng Boracay. Quick bathroom check. Malinis, maayos, malakas ang tubig, cleanliness, check, pasado. Dito sa balcony, super chill. Ideal spot for coffee, sunsets, or quiet moments. Sa baba naman, may restaurant with a nice vibe. Good music, mabilis ang service, at friendly yung staff. Umorder kami ng food and yup, hindi kami nagsisi, masarap. At ayan sa likod ko yung pool. Malinis, relaxing, at sakto pang cool down. Pool check. Approve! If you enjoyed this reel, don't forget to like and subscribe to Casual Travelers Jeannie and Marcin. See you in the next adventure. Bye!